Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to simplify or evaluate this expression 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Some people might solve this as using BODMAS. Then bracket first, meaning 1 minus 4 gives you minus 3, and they come back here and say 1 minus 4, which gives us another minus 3. And the bracket means times, which is minus 3 times minus 3, which will give plus 9 as the answer. No, that is not the answer. So what we do here, we just use BODMAS order of operation. Then we have this will be equal to 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 gives us minus 3. Then we move further. This will give us 1 minus 4 times, bracket means times, minus 3. Then the next one in order of operation is multiplication. Then we have to multiply minus 4 times minus 3. We multiply these two, we consider these two. Minus 4 times minus 3 gives us plus 12. And we bring down this one. And finally, we are going to have 1 plus 12 gives us 13 as the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.